Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Wix Transfers for campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing funds with Wix Transfers, log into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your campaigns. Locate the Payments tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Wix Transfers to access your transfer options. Ensure your account is fully verified for a smooth withdrawal process. Select the campaign from which you wish to withdraw funds. Review the available balance associated with that campaign. Click on the Withdraw button next to the campaign balance. You will be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Select either a bank transfer, PayPal, or another available option. Enter the required details for your chosen withdrawal method. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid delays. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. Once received, keep track of your transaction for future reference. If you encounter any issues, visit the Wix Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.